Alright, hi folks. Here we have our dog whistle from AwesomePets. We have one dog that's already came, but we've got another one that's wandering out, and it's time for him to come inside. So Miley is going to give it a blow and see if we can get George up on the porch. Alright, let's wait a minute. No George yet. Try it one more time. Turn around this way, please. Come here. For some reason, I always thought that we weren't supposed to be able to hear them, but this one I hear. I'm sure y'all hear it too. Still no George. Ivy is looking like she cares less about it too, so I don't know.
It was working a couple of days ago.
Yeah. Well, I think it only works when, with our dogs anyways, when they want to pay any attention to it. So, but anyways, order yourself one, give it a try. Make your own opinion. Thanks.